In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize markers in Excel. If you have a line chart in Excel and you want the data points to stand out more clearly, customizing the markers is a simple way to do it. You can change the marker shape, make it larger, and apply a different fill color so your chart is easier to read and looks more polished. Start by clicking once on any data point in your line chart. This is important because clicking a single point one time selects the entire data series, not just that one marker. Once the series is selected, right-click directly on the data line. From the menu that appears, choose Format Data Series. This will open the formatting panel on the right side of the Excel window, where all of the marker customization options are located. At the top of that sidebar, click the Fill and Line icon, which looks like a paint bucket. This section controls the visual appearance of the selected series. From there, click the Marker tab, which appears next to the Line tab. This is where you can adjust how each marker looks on the chart. Next, click Marker Options to expand that section if it is not already open. Under Marker Options, select the built-in choice. This tells Excel that you want to use one of its preset marker shapes. Now, click the Type drop-down arrow. You will see a visual list of marker styles, such as circles, squares, diamonds, and other common shapes. Choose the one that best fits the look you want for your chart. After selecting a shape, move to the Size box and click the up arrow to increase the marker size. Making the markers slightly larger can help highlight your data points, especially if the chart will be viewed from a distance or included in a presentation. Once the shape and size are set, scroll to the Fill section below and click it to expand the color options. Then click the Color Paint bucket drop-down. A color grid will appear, allowing you to choose the fill color for the markers. Select the color you prefer. As you make these changes, Excel updates the chart right away, so you can immediately see how the new marker style looks. This makes it easy to fine-tune the design until it matches your chart perfectly. That covers everything you need to know.